Today I am going to LALITAGIRI hill where I will show you monasteries. I have high enthusiasm to know what is monastery. On the way I found stone carving entry gate of LALITAGIRI hill. I am going towards ticket counter. The concrete map of LALITAGIRI Archaeological Museum. Way to monastery too. What is monastery? Do you know, friends? Monastery means where Buddhist sadhus, saints live together. This is backside of the museum. Another super hill is there. That is Landapad. Found a rock. The monastery is broken. Here, monks were living together. The saints, the sadhus were living together. Who broke this monastery? Monastery one is ruined. Who ruined it? Divine point. In these steps, Sramans were entering to the monastery. I am in front of monastery 4. LALITAGIRI is 90 kilometers far from Bhubaneswar. Construction between 100 BC to 1300 CE. I am feeling really very sad. Half part of Lord Buddha here, another half part is not here. Why? These temples are not coming under Buddhist culture. This is a prayer hall. The prayer hall is really very modern. Monastery 3. The broken walls of this monastery is made of bricks, lime, jaggery and any other qualitative things. It is believed that some unsocial rulers, they destroyed these areas. People from Japan, China come here to take the charm of this place. This is the old museum. This is the road towards Sanchi Stupa. Greenery. Real beautiness is hidden in nature. You come and take charm of it. These are sacred steps towards Sanchi Stupa. Buddha's bone is in this stupa. If you are coming to Sanchi Stupa, you will see blue sky with a very peaceful atmosphere. From a long distance, NS5 is visible. Where is Lord Buddha's bone? I think Lord Buddha's bone is in the stupa. I am coming down to the steps. Kendu, Bella? How can we Chunno, Bali, Kendu? Itagundo, some message. I think the trees are from 2500 years ago. Here I am searching Puspagiri, the famous Buddhist Mahavidyalaya, but I am not getting it. Puspagiri Mahavidyalaya means monastery university. Here bulls don't fight. This is the place of Don Mahalians. Really, they stopped fighting. Thank you. Friends, we came back from LALITAGIRI. Please suggest on this video